Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about his secret obsession. This is a platform specifically designed to simply help you focus more on different cravings and obsessions. So if you want to access this platform, you can head over to the link in the description below, and using this platform you can simply see different kind of stuff that is needed in different kind of relationships. So the information that you need is basically all available onto the platform, and you can see if you want to be brilliant in relationships and make it incredible like never seen before, then this is a must uh, to be visited site. So you can try this platform out, and you will be getting the guide that is super helpful. And if you want to simply know more or learn more about the platform, then this also is going to be helping you with the customized plans that you can get using the link in the description. So if you want to purchase like an instant access to everything for a one-time single secure payment of just $49, which means you're going to be saving up to $150, then this is basically for you. So give it a try, and all the information is going to be there. And also, to be sure, they have 60-day 100% no question asked money back guarantee. If within 16 days you're not absolutely escalated with the results you're getting with this product for any reason at all, just mail me and let me know. You'll receive a quick courtesy refund for your entire investment right away. And yeah, basically this is it. You can head over to the link in the description to access, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. See you guys in the next video.